A lot of people struggle with link building when it comes to e-commerce. But truth be told, it works just like any other type of link building. The more high quality links you get pointing to your store, the more it will increase your store's rankings in the search engines. But that is really hard when you have not invested time in optimizing your category and product pages. So you've done that now, right? Because if you haven't, you are not ready for link building yet. This is a common mistake we see in our e-commerce SEO clients all the time. And if you haven't optimized your product or category pages yet, then I highly suggest you sign up to my free 7-day course that will teach you how to create traffic-sucking pages that drive Google wild. I've left a link in the description for you. But if you've already optimized all of your category and all of your product pages, then keep watching, because I'm about to share the easiest way to build links to your e-commerce store. And that is to quite simply steal your competitors' best backlinks first. Competitor backlink analysis is one of the most powerful ways to find what's working with your competitors so you can replicate it. I mean, why go to all the hard work of finding link building opportunities when you can just steal from your competitor's link profile? This has been my go-to link building strategy for the last decade. Whether that site's an affiliate site, a business site, or e-commerce site, I always start by making a link database of all of my competitors' best backlinks. And then I attack them one by one. Now, you might be wondering, well, how do I do that? Well, it's easy. First of all, you start by gathering the first 10 organic search results for your main keyword. Just search in Google for the keyword and make a list with each organic result you find. Then use Ahrefs to find all of the backlinks that are pointing to each of your competitors. For example, these are the top results for the search swim trunks. We would just look up all of the backlinks pointing to each of these URLs in Ahrefs. As you can see, we could easily acquire links from these sites, and that's from only looking at one of the top 10 results. And by using the Ahrefs Keyword Explorer, we can see that we only need links from just 10 websites to break the top 10 for this keyword. So now we just need to work through each of the URLs we found in the Google search results, enter it into Ahrefs, and export the backlink profile for each of them. Now, it's important that you keep your analysis organized, so create separate tabs for each competitor in one master Excel spreadsheet. And instead of analyzing every single link from each competitor manually, sort them by domain rating and attack the most valuable links first. Just take each link, open it in a web browser, and try to see how your competitor got these links so you can replicate it. Stealing your competitors' backlinks is my all-time favorite link building strategy. And while there are other link building strategies you can use, this is the best link building strategy for any e-commerce store. Whether you're the new kid on the block or an established player, stealing your competitors' backlinks is the most effective link building strategy on the planet. Not only that, but you don't need to be a genius to pull it off either. All you have to do is open each of your competitors' backlinks in a web browser and look at how they got the link. You'll very quickly pick up all the different patterns of where to look for the submit URL box or the contact us buttons to steal those links away. Or if that's not to your taste, you can always have my e-commerce SEO team do the heavy lifting for you with our fully managed e-commerce SEO service. The link's in the description. Either way, don't make link building more complicated than it needs to be. Look at what is working for your competitors and replicate it. Simple.